In 2022, a staggering 5.5 billion malicious URLs wreaked havoc across the internet. Malicious URLs and malware attacks are on the rise, putting personal security and financial well-being at risk. These attacks result in significant financial losses and jeopardize sensitive data, causing potential ruin and reputational damage. It's time to take action. Let's explore innovative solutions to tackle the growing menace of malicious URLs and fortify our digital defenses. Every 39 seconds, a new malware attack occurs, resulting in staggering financial losses and personal security risks. Detecting these malicious URLs presents numerous challenges. Attack techniques are constantly evolving, and attackers are experts in obfuscating their URLs. Analyzing vast amounts of data and the risk of false positives further complicates them. Discover how cAInvas enables machine learning on microcontrollers, unlocking advanced threat detection capabilities even on resource-constrained devices. Dive into the cutting-edge fusion of data from multiple sensors, empowering cAInvas to detect threats with exceptional accuracy and precision. cAInvas leverages large datasets to train its machine learning algorithms, continuously improving accuracy and ensuring the detection of unseen threats. Seamlessly integrate cAInvas into your existing systems with its low-code nature, enabling real-time analysis and proactive defense against malicious URLs. Upgrade your security defenses with cAInvas, the smart, resource-friendly solution for safeguarding your networks and IoT ecosystems. Stay one step ahead of threats and protect what matters most. Detecting and preventing malicious URLs is vital in today's cyber landscape. Experience the power of cAInvas for real-time threat detection, thanks to cutting-edge machine learning algorithms and AI sensor fusion. Deploying cAInvas at the network edge provides an additional layer of protection against evolving threats. Elevate your cybersecurity strategy with cAInvas. Embrace the future of threat detection and create a safer digital environment for your organization. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.